Sling use and safe zone. You will be provided with a blue poly sling. This should be worn as needed for comfort for up to 4 to 6 weeks. You can remove the sling to wash, dress, exercise, and use your arm for light daily activities. You do not need to wear it at night, but can do so if you prefer, for comfort, or if you tend to move a lot in the night. You can remove the sling by lifting the strap over your head, or if this is difficult, undo the clip to release the strap. You can then slide your arm out, remaining within the safe zone. The sling can be left off for as long as you like, as long as the arm is comfortable and you only use it within a safe zone. This means using your arm for light, functional activities with your upper arm at your side, but ensuring that the elbow does not leave your side and you do not rotate the arm outwards. Examples of safe zone activities include making a cup of tea, using good arm to lift kettle, making a sandwich, putting a meal in the microwave, washing your face, putting on makeup, using a laptop, computer, or tablet, and writing. You can put the sling back on by sliding the arm in, then lifting the strap back over your head or clipping the strap back into place at the front. In some situations, your surgeon may prefer you to wear the sling all of the time for 4 to 6 weeks. You will be advised if this applies to you.